Bisi we omonom Jones on pansom of parliament. I said, pay we say, I'm not buja power no. We over 1,000 roads for Ghana. Shadiaba next Jandam is sorry, I see be a friend 4th estate. Is it by force to get scandal? It is not force. This guy called Suleiman Brahma, or say Oneneye, the editor of 4th Estate fake news platform. This guy, Suleiman Brahma, one of the fakest people I've seen in Ghana. This guy, my story, okay, one fake guy on an Ghana, on the pay as you go, no. And you see, let me tell you something. Oh, Sakwawi, on Azure in a 34th estate. What's the DBBA? It is out of inferiority complex. Every time we be end this power, no, they want to prove something to account for. So even when there's no scandal, these foolish northern boys, they will try and create a scandal. Sanya beya MPP for some journalists for system will sit there and say, that is what they do. And so yesterday, Azure did the same when NDC, they came to power in 2012, from 2012 to 2016. And then Okofa Sada, Azure destroyed Sada or destroyed Northern people, their lives. He's an enemy to the Northerners. This guy too is another Northerner. The NDC is back to power, and then he's forcing a scandal. Yes, sorry, or say, or a scandal. And you're saying a scandal and a day. The scandal and say disregard for President's vow to prudence. Ministry awards 81 sole source contracts worth over 73 billion in 7 months. Yes, sorry, another 10 years or person impress ya come for. This a fake journalist too. Ready. Yes, sorry, I will say. I will call scandal. It's a scandal and the DNC or see I buy any big push, you know. I government, you know, I so sourcing. And I say I so sourcing, no, why am I not brusso? And it's okay. So sourcing, no, crime. Or see that be, and I say okay. So I buy my so sourcing contract to say in California, a kwanya wagan in including wo ofri tumu ofri boko, including wo ukro mukwai. What is wrong? Because so sourcing is not a crime. I see, and then a scandal because Argentina big push project, you know, abino through the ministry, you know, omudi inhuman ama companies bia, omoye so sourced about 81 contracts, you know, nina is so sourced. And I say so sourced, and I said saying, what is so sourced? Mo shami free bantama swame menshia, and it nimpotem. Bibi any be quiet. So sourcing, ni nyina saying. Yes, adwuma bi abeda ho. Adwuma na abeda ho no, aban say adwuma we die. Emu odin. Sebi ometutu mani a Kevin Taylor and Sons Company. Omo no mo experience no. Omo no mo wa ho akade. Omo betuma ye adwuma no. Sene adwuma we hu hia no. Sebi eye pipe apai. Now say ya anya say adwuma we ntama insu a enwunu gu no. Ya nhwe ya Ghana Water Company will lose about 30,000 tons of water in 2 weeks. Even though your companies be able to fix our pipe way, but your one company be your companies be omo ho keka no e wosoro omo equipment no edoso omo betuma ye adwuma no tentem mommra na monye ene the friend so source aban etutu nani no ka say wo wonim adwuma bi hunim de yenim so betuma aye ne ntem esinipi ama sebi adwuma na wo ye no emfa so beba so a Abai empese obe go through a process whereby at the end of the day no on enye sa ade afre no eye competitive bidding ni wie kura no na insu a pipe no enwure gu no na asabebo oman ne ka because pipe na pai na a supply communities 30 insu no sa aban ka say me twan afrefre companies omo nyina fix pipe samomra na me hwemo kratem na me hwe de obetuma ya aban ne yesa de wie 3 months no na insu a communities na hwere any a car Ghana Water Company abono. It will be best for the government to look for some company that is better well equipped to do the job. It aban ehwehwemo na ka say asmesibra ye adwuma we say na be ya insu ne nwunum sam be bo me ka. Now that is what we call soul source. Into no a dear chrono na by a bo. And no, they catch a gun for so we not scandal. That is all. Dede omo ye nyina and a scandal about no. Now the question here is, sir, ejuma ya your friend the big push. John Mahama de baye. I was say 24-hour economy no. I was say making sure say ya kwine perfect because nipa ya shiro mo ejumakuwa egu ekuafo omutumi for omunua ne kura emba krom 24-hour economy ni 24-hour market any 24-hour economy obesi ebie no e wo se ya kwan nyina ejina ne naso nti ene dida so se e wo se ekwan bia e wo Ghana bia car faso moto faso a ye didi djuma no o se ye no ene da John Mahama koma so. It's a big push, you know. One of the most important, because a contingent, a agent. It's John Mahama buy no say winning BB. Yeah, the Ghana for companies and a be acquire Ghana in na. It's ye and say now, ye shovel any idea wheelbarrow a job. Yeah, the Ebema companies are ye nim omo dada wa Ghana ye nim so omo de almost strength no wasro. Omo equipment. Omo de omo ye bi ma ye hu pen omo betuma ye adwuma no enti some of the companies are Sebio John Mahama through the ministry edit so a big push no no na ye companies are Ghanaian companies are obia entumi en contest omo de omo credibility any adwuma omo ye enti John Mahama ba na so nim the whole Ghana is going to be under construction and Yankofa Brochire company yeah the Ghanaian companies anyway say adwuma no now the big push within a year 2 or 3 I will say to me move Ghana ya kwani nyina ekodu level bi enti ya behwehwem companies say nim so ma ye dwuma da omo experience omo gina omo naso no omo starting ye dwuma no simple as that enti that brought about the big push contracts. Now Aban is looking at companies omo Ghana omo track record omo infidie omo ye bi pen that Aban calls them oh ya Ghana ni company ya be say mo dwuma kone ko ye dwuma we from here to her yeah wo so bra. So the government decided to do that because Sanka government here and I just say Sanka obetra competitive bidding. It will take the government another 2 years to be able to settle on companies. But so far, we have seen these companies working and we are seeing the quality of roads they are doing in Ghana. Now, sir, scandal way the so-called scandal no somebody abano and now NDC aban buy now companies are MPP among dwuma se omunye na omoso ye contractors omoye akwan wo Ghana na akwan no krampo no omunye sikanje no na about 21 companies omunyina no sole source na ekufu ade ne ba omi ade ma omo na Fourth Estate fake news ninti because they wanted to lie to Ghana for they are forcing for a scandal no. They basically added the 21 to NDC government contract or the Amarina and say, Ninginano, NDC Ama 21 sole source contracts. No. Even the previous administration contract or the companies bia na omo musika so munye ana contract no afenis no aban we ban no of fresh companies na sole source contract no or the ma be kan we hu say moso no yanim mo ye Ghana for ekufo do ba omi adi muhwamo Oma musika monso momra na mometo mo kwan so ni nyina ye so sourced and omo de beka eye omo existing ones omo de and omo ye dwuma into scandal no efrihin. Where is the scandal? Now it's so interesting say omo the scandal we buy no ebesi ne omo ntumi mention one fraudulent de tina aban na ye de omo ka nyina say so source ne dorso enti eno no eti aban. The question here is in a Ghana procurement act no so sourcing is not illegal and I'm dodo on sankwan say enam no o de adoa bini dodo ya etwa nkwan ni mu a wontumi ndi enti wontumi kan chem say so sourcing na enti amra no because Ekufuado abuse so sourcing. Let me tell you the MPP abused so sourcing and the funny thing is after abusing the sole source, they did not even give them the money to work. And Omeka say year of roads. 90% of contractor MPP did my year of road. Omontia and the roads were not done. So Ekufuado had the opportunity to use sole sourcing well to make sure we profited from sole sourcing. Now on Baomiane MPP in Kwasiafo, they could not, out of greed, foolishness, it does not mean a government that is ready to work will not use a legitimate mean, which is sole sourcing. Nowhere in Ghana's politics or in Ghana's laws, and I can say sole sourcing is a crime. The reason why now MPP time and more power. Now, people like us and the NDC were criticizing the MPP about source sourcing was that they were abusing it. They were giving source sourcing out and they were not doing a job. That is why today we have what? We have Ghana and Big Pusher. You are seeing all the roads being constructed. Into scandal. Where is the scandal? They could not show you one documentary. HSA, a wrote to Mr. President Wieska, Obia Kobuobi. All that they are saying is so sauce in the Dawson. Into Kwasia, we have a stable Ghana. And you know one interesting thing? MPP minority LGBT, anything they see, they follow it. They are jobless. They are useless. They cannot think. Makacho say MPP, a limited liability company. It is a limited liability company filled with limited liability criminals. So why should anybody waste their time on this? There's no scandal here. There's nothing. Until somebody proves to me that source sourcing is criminal. They are saying, sir, this is a scandal because NDC criticized MPP when their office said the source sourcing, no, what did we get from it? This is value for money. But during the MPP time, there was no value for money because all the year of roads, as we speak, they cannot point to one road that they were able to construct. Then when you use source sourcing to give contracts and the contracts are not completed because you are not paying or you are misusing the money, then that becomes illegal. That becomes fraudulent. That becomes something we are not supposed to at the end of the support. But if somebody's going to give source sourcing and we every single day we are seeing the roads being constructed, why do you say that one is corruption? That one is a scandal. Where from this scandal? Scandal on the free. And then I'm catching them say MPP4 when they come to power, they always use in tough one be. Which why I tell it to say Azure. He wants to prove himself to the accounts. He wants to prove himself to the Asante4 that me attending me person me chira say me de metuma aboamo we mu Jimmy. This guy is not any credible journalist in Ghana. There's nothing credible about this. Into me catch Ghana for scandal be any baby mama chiro. Today, the minister was in parliament and he made some statements very emphatic. Minister, no. Now, before the minister came to parliament to speak, MPP4, the minority caucus in parliament, the piglets, has raised alarm over the widespread abandonment of road projects nationwide, blaming the situation on delays in government payment to contractors. Mentil baby as a contractor be able to abide the car. I didn't parliament here. Now, uko tie omanu asem omo say omo problem adenti na abani dua contractors ka kwasiafo betina power 8 years mo ntumi mpo anya kwan baako contractor o Ghana or say abai we tua lika no onko kancha abai so onye adwuma ni bim no onko abai will find another contractor. If there's any contractor in Ghana who is saying say abai is cheating him or her and that they have done the job and government has not paid, they are not obliged. There's no rule be a job say by force they should do the job. If you're a contractor in Ghana, that's how I say about your car. Go and tell the government you will not do the job again. They will pay your money and you walk. It is simple. The government is not going to beg any contractor. So far, all contractors on site are doing their job. And if you say you are a contractor, you are diligently doing your job. That's how buying your car. Come out. We will tell you to quit the job, take your money and walk. Now go and listen. Aquaway. Debiana me who's a match capture. My name is Otebrofo, and I say Onimyansa, your friend Kennedy, or say Usadeng. And the Onwankasa ready or Mankasa press statement, no. Not Tampuli Mujin say, hey, Eddie and Kwasi, Eddie and Hobber joining. Let's go listen to the MPP. Munkoti here, your brofubia or to two brofua basa.
To date, no official total project cost has been disclosed. Furthermore, the 2026 national budget contains no allocation for the project. And about what appears to be a significant decline in government commitment to the railway development sector. In 2025, to date, no official total project cost has been disclosed. Furthermore, the 2026 national budget contains no allocation for the project, and there are no indicative cost projections for the period between 2027 to 2028. For a project of such national importance and scale, the absence of cost disclosure and budgetary planning raises serious concerns about fiscal transparency and implementation readiness. Ghanaians therefore deserve full transparency on this matter. Government must clearly state the total estimate cost of constructing the expressway, the expected compensation and resettlement costs for affected communities, and the overall financial implication for the state. Only with this information can we properly assess whether the proposed expressway will represent the most prudent and economically responsible infrastructure investment under the current physical circumstances. To date, no official total project cost has been disclosed. Furthermore, the 2026 national budget contains no allocation for the project, and there are no indicative cost projections for the period between 2027 to 2028. For a project of such national importance and scale, the absence of cost disclosure and budgetary planning raises serious concerns about physical transparency and implementation readiness. Ghanaians therefore deserve full transparency on this matter. Government must clearly state the total estimate cost of constructing the expressway, the expected compensation and resettlement costs for affected communities, and the overall financial implication for the state. Only with this information can we properly assess whether the proposed expressway will represent the most prudent and economically responsible infrastructure investment under the current.
The concept and a TikTok husband and the we at Sweden for MPO. She to two bro for Abasa and today na no sepen. Jimmy, Jimmy, the John Mahama from first day almost started project way before about power or say we will raise money internally to do the big push. It's on record. John Mahama said, contractors. In fact, let's listen to John Mahama. This
no credit, you buy a Muna Munim Yafum and share by 4 to 5 years. Jessica Sem essay Nanyoma Baye Ding, Ewa Ghana ha. It will maybe 2022. You are now such we are seeing now say Bosnia Yabo Yaka Yade Yentimin Tuebium. Mejitum say Meji Bosa or Ho, Meji or General Mosquito Ho, Meji or Regional Minister Ho, Meji or Opoku Ho, Meji or Sam George Ho, Namuna Abe Shay, no crane mintimintia. And Mobosiano, Obiam Pene, na yen chabi frison. Na yen she nia Mosha Mitia ye. Na enya enonkwa Emra Michelle Mose Metia sa bos ekano. Samre nudra mintimintia biom. Inti anonso mesrese mobetwi mu kakra sene beya metua na kakra kopem se metua wie. Enti Ghana ene sankofo no nyina atran enti ase ye adwuma emo mu twa sika ne bigui ena afi emra ewo se ye ditua no omo twi mu kakra na nia aban dada ye no omo bibia efre no moratorium enti eche se ye no mo aka wie no ewo se mo ma ye da ye be sha ase se ye tua na so onye onim se okọ enti akọ ese se ball wa pass edi ama aban foforo eba nti eba ye ena eche se bosa na ye ni omo kokan ya eka ye ni omo kan ye no na nemra so se ye sha ase etua nti nana efri se ye ba January sa aka no ye ni etua emre ni bia duru a wo mada ba ko mpa ho e wo se utua se wo mada ba ko pa ho a na eche se agreement a wo ni omo ye no na afeli ombeka se ni amode ye ka no ya san e de abeto so nti nana enye bete ora to force wa ya de enti emre na be so a na oni ministers no ho efi se owo futuo bi a say taxes never e was say odishem edushem na esun sa sika no ansa na da na eduru nti wo na rekopoko aba o se o men kokon ketenkete program na o se wo de fatu nchen ansa say Ahmed ba o wunya ntua saa de a wo ka say wo besi University of Local Government say o fatu nchen ansa o de ma mintua e ka ne wie ye wie a na ya sha asebiom enti otata sika no saa your friend is sinking fund emre no dura no etua enti nyame adom kakra ye etua and so ye boy ye sika ho banti ama ye nya sika anka ye de be sei ene enyoma ehu hia ama ye nya sei sika na ye de ye ne hia yamanfo ebi ni big push aban bia yankobo obosia wo be bia se ye de ye big push ya ye sika gene stampa ya ye sika obi aka prenka ho Sunjani Outer Ring Road ya ye sika and sika no eta ho enti makacha contractor for ni nyina say ye wadwuma ntem na fa o certificate bra ni ntua oka enti meka say ejuma o ma ye big push ni nyina me ne o ka say ye free nkran anything na to cost na ntimi ama o won office and almost sign almost certificate say omuntua omuka Kofi Job Outer Ring Road ni certificate kan na say ya ombetua ne ka nti abebo ho bosia cement na bibia me ti ho akireo enche bia ni sika beba o ya filling station no abeje o diesel at least ombetua kakra na sana construction industry economy eno na ma oman ekoenim every say the construction industry ko nenima ni oton ka anka ye de be say ene enyoma ehu hia ama ye nya say sika na ye de ye ne hia yamanfo ebi ni big push aban bia yankobo obosia wo be bia se ye de ye big push ya ye sika gene stampa ya ye sika obi aka prenka ho Sunjani Outer Ring Road ya ye sika and sika no eta ho enti makacha contractor for ni nyina say ye wadwuma ntem na fa o certificate bra ni ntua oka
enti sia wo hu say John Mahama ka enti big push no ye nuangase sika ye generating no Ghana eto na etua ne kakanka no eno na yenya finance minister onim nyansa de sato force na otumi tenase oso we de emfa nhya we de emfa nkwa eno na ye de ye ekwan wa Ghana nyina enso ndem no ka sei MPP for so mo ntiase almost a scandal about ninja big push ni nyina mena ka sei the MPP led by Afenyo Makin omo parliament and almost say almost ntiase aban no enjai eye big push no onjai kwan na oye nyina o Ghana na omo de kwan na omo ye no omo ntiase na aban ni nkire bebi asika free president so say sika eye ni angase sika ye revenue eto ya jeje no ene de ye eye big push no eno abi na de baba swame eno bia na de ba kumase kwan eno abi na de expressway eno na de ye tumu kwan ye de ye eye Cocoa Road ekwan wa Ghana nyina no but MPP and dem gina parliament e catch the parliamentarians MPP forecast say omo de NDC abani enjai eye big push no omo njai ekwan ne ye na omo pese NDC abani be kire omo bebi omo nye sika free. How can a whole political party, how can a party atna power 8 years na aban bia ba eye ekwan nyina wo Ghana na etumi gina parliament ka say ye ntiase adentira adena wo de contract no ema Ghana sebio contractors adentina wo fan koma Chinese for adena wo fan koma eye Yugoslavia for eye de Nicaragua for adena wo fan koma Brazil for meye kwan no enti Ghana for contractors na de ekwan ne mo ye ntiase be kire bebi asika ne free wodie usum abrewa na abrewa kohwe ase bebi obeto de fa ho ben sa usum abrewa ana upia abrewa na abrewa kohwe ase a bebi a okoto no efa ho ben because at the end of the day unim se ompen wo wonim ti na usum no enti what we needed was a government to come in power or to power to build our roads ombe ya kwan maye. As we sit today we are seeing a kwan ya ye Ghana nyina enso MPP so mo de omo mpene so intend omo press conference omo ntiase Adentina so sourcing. Adentina binding my could be jobs ejuma. Adena binding my Ghana contractors ejuma. Omo match baby omunye sikari free. Say MPP a party omunim nyansa. Will you even come out and do a press conference and question roads that are being constructed at Ghana for nyina ehu ekwan no? Mobeka say year of road. 5 good years. Mo anya ekwan ba akokora. Na aban bi aba na oma Ghana contractors ejuma. So technically, and I'm going to say MPP parliamentarians are almost parliament, they are fighting against Ghanaian contractors. Because what are you trying to say? You are trying to tell the government, say, a Jumana and the other Kofi job mo, Ediama Ghana contractors or more, Mom Peneso, if we say, money may be a second free. A Juma Swan Kofoye, or more Ghanaian companies. A Yabai Namo Much a Juma, a Ghana forum of 4 Juma. It's one, the NPP is against people who have been employed to work on the various roads. Because contractor bia aban way after the Juma Biano, why employ Ghana for into the same MPP, almost preventing contractors from employing the young people. The same MPP, they don't want a NDC to construct roads around the nation. This is the same MPP almost saying for Tumima Baumia. How can we allow such people? How can we even give them opportunity? NPP, MP, some more parliament, Obia constituency, so how can you come to Accra? No catch a parliament to say, Mema abana and to a big push in so if we say unim be a sikani free, if we say Sesiano, Munim de Ecoso, into Omankasa constituency, no, a quaya ya or Monkasa Chrome, no, Omo per se abani jai, into Omon crying. And Omo catch abani say, Own jay a quining go if we say, abani to mean Chregana for baby own your sika free. And it's make us say, Usum ekufuadwa, baby ekufuado kotonefa home. So usum ekufuadwa it mo Ghana for na mutiem no mo MPs no more parliament no and the almost sorry or parliament to say big push say ye kwan wo constituency and that wo MP or parliament MP say on penny almost on tiasie John Mahama ba no enjoy adwumani ye no mbekire bebi onye sika ne free na ekwan na oye no omo tiasie say John Mahama aban eye kwan wo Ghana indi say wo MPP ni afre no Nebusan say, I didn't know by 1 year quino. I didn't know what thing crying. Catch a Ghana for say, a quina John Mahama J. Toward the no, one call for original parliament is a Montiasie. The echoes one crying no. This is what is happening in parliament. This is what the MPP, Omoyano parliament, today they are against a construction of roads in the country. MPP as a political party led by Baumiano, and they are fighting a government that is constructing roads. Omokache is a year of roads. Omanya Kwan Bakukra. And MPP led by Afenoma Kijina Parliament, the any Ghana for ko, Adentina Yaya Kwan. Mamaka Bibincho. Adikudientia MPP form per se, John Mahama, and NDC Bayo Kwan, Ebaya also Kwan, Ebaya Obia Kwan wa Ghana, Ama Ghana, Afan to a pay friend and say, Omun said John Mahama, Aya Kwan in area, MPP Begu. And sir, NPP parliamentarians no omu Ghana for omu constituency no omu Ghana for so omu Jimmy and intina ende no omu jina enkran eka brofo say John Mahama enjoy adwumani di ye pese MPs ni nyina ba parliament beka say big push na air omu krom no ye enjoy ye send ye be ya ye wie na se ko hu be bia sika ni free wi na ba be ye omu kwan no MPs omu parliament no ye pese omu nyina ebe press conference eka che Ghana for say ye MPP for big push ni before a constituency. Yam pese John Mahama beye. If we say a pese be a sikani free. So a chere be a sikani free via and son of beye kwano. Mombeka sanchre. Ba onum de omo ye. Omo gina parliament nyina ka se yenja kwan ye no. Omo nyina e kwan na wo mu krom. John Mahama e omo nyina krom kwan. Omo constituency ye kwan. Eye den a political party can stand in parliament. A party just left power a year ago will have a press conference to speak against a government that is constructing roads. Where did you hear anything like that? One could say MPP phobium. And they are saying, almost say, I don't even want to show this. Mumia Sanko T MPP for Assembly of Mosaka. Almost railway. Mumia Kotie.
About what appears to be a significant decline in government commitment to the railway development sector. In 2025, no budgetary allocation was made for railway development. In 2026, only 73 million has been budgeted for a railway development across the entire country, particularly given the scale of investment already made in the sector. In the case of the Mpakadan railway line, these critical supporting facilities, particularly those at Mpakadan and within the Savannah region, and Debre, yes, within the Savannah region, have effectively been abandoned by the current government. This is especially troubling, considering the over $1.1 billion already that have been invested in the railway sector between 2017 and 2024. Without the completion of this complementary facility, the full operation and economic value of this investment cannot be realized, thereby putting a substantial portion of this investment at risk of underutilization. Ghana Railway Development Authority raises additionally, the termination of the Dunkasi Railway Line project by the Ghana Railway Development Authority raises further concerns. This project, which spans approximately 6 kilometers, was designed as a strategic urban transport intervention within the Edum and Kasi in Kumasi. The project was intended to ease congestion and road traffic within the Edum and Kasi area, facilitate the movement of both goods and passengers by rail, therefore thereby easing pressure on the heavily congested road network within the Kumasi metropolis. The outright termination of this project represents a missed opportunity to deploy multimodal transport solution to address urban
and then transmode them, and then when I know as a quarter shoe. Kwasia sabo kwa. Inte say yenya big push na make train kwan. Mo Jimmy too much. Bro for ba ko kenkan. I say ye din sans no go show ase. No you say. Jimmy, it yenya na go train. And that Tuesday me I catch you go pose me problem. Jimmy, bro for ba ko kasa I say din sans no go show ho. And John no you say. And say and Cassie and Jimmy. Inti yenja big push ni go train kwan. Yenja big push ni go train kwan. Kwasia, come ba nka sa train kwan yan come ya. Anka na come ya press conference. Mu de mo Jimmy no. Inti esi yenya dan esi brofo bebe. Sa de ya o kan ya yenti asie and transgender and the modification of the Pakada and the Kumasi yenya dan yenya dan. Yan go tintia NDC ne fa ba o miamra. Say when your class teacher Tampuli Kromfoli gina na o kire therefore therefore why one no say echo one no say that bra one no tin de bia na mente so wakasa da wo mente so waka brofo da na brofo genjan and the den ofui inti anya den yankotuma ba omia enti na dede na o constituents brofo ka omuti ase Jimmy in some of your crank can what ase ko krom ye krom kwan yango train yenja road ne tongo train ne say enda no pa MPP for start free dey a big push omo ha no kokoduru railway story omo free railway aron beduru toll booth omo free toll booth no ba big Paulugu dam omo free Paulugu da say enda omo ya breaking news by 50 still obi antie masam intimo hu sam Jimmy Shade omo free ono mkoka toll booth hu asem enda nkwa o and the nice man of Junso, and the obvious one, and the nice man of Junso, just en kwasiakeka, we faha, now we are faha, now we are can say, Mumiankotie, Aquanibi, or see railways, Mukotie.
10. About what appears to be a significant decline in government commitment to the railway development sector. In 2025, no budgetary allocation was made for railway development. In 2026, only 70.
Just say, what do you know? I saw Munya Papa. Omo bebe wia na dwono ewia no and almost call toll booth almost say failure to modernize road tolls delaying revenue and the MPP for say almost tiase abai no modernize toll booth no enye sa ya hwiri sika we mo hu na go say hwedun so ne acid go mo MPP and the MPP press conference of parliament catch me ne wo Ghana for say toll booth na aban se oba be modernize no esa de aba back ma computers aye adwuma no MPP mo ka kire say aban ne nya ne ntam na nya say ya hwiri sika kwasiafo inkwasiafo hwe asem mo kai tobut omo ka say omo convert tobut into bathrooms mo kai amwakwata kwasiampanyi amwakwata ka kire say one day sorry anopa and amwakwata say ne chwa banti the whole tobut organ nya yemubu no people with disability no mo yedwuma tobut mu agigiska yebubu ni nyina tugui enne ka say amwakwata na tobut no bubu ni anya da o say ye de ba adwunso bia ye kodwunso wom kwasiafo MPP kofoi.
What is the plan for the structures or the structure for the toolkit?
Oh, no, we know it ourselves. Perhaps a lot of people don't know. Even in our own ministries, we have the safety departments. So I have director of safety, in our all the agencies. So safety issues are key, and Ghana National Road Safety Authority, we work with them hand in hand, and we will know it. If you listen to the news reportage, they even indicated that from their interaction with us, they realized that we ourselves had even taken that step already. We know it, So at the appropriate time, we are going to take them out, and we have, alternative use for all the 38 or so toll booth centers across the country, because we have plans for all those who were working in the toll booths. Okay, we are going to continue to work with them, and we have come out with a lot of suggestions. We even want to refurbish all those toll booth structures to provide, proper and decent washrooms, for instance, for the use by motorists, so that we advise them, to desist from the practice that we see at times. You find out or you see cars stopping, indiscriminately on the highway, and people getting out, to wee as we usually say it, urinating. You see men on the left, women on the right, or at times you see a man, a woman. It's all indecent. It's not a good practice. And we have come out with a lot of suggestions. We even want to refurbish all those toll booth structures to provide, proper and decent washrooms, for instance, for the use by motorists, so that we.
But MPP. How did we? I'm a quaternary road minister. We were a lawyer. 8 years, according to road minister, was at the end. I'm a quata. Hey, how did we, as a people, Ghana for your court to abase go for me, and Ghana for so. We road minister, I'm a quata. In some occasions, Sabaku put him. Road tobu to bubu no so be Johnson be a man go for Johnson. And then Kwasiafo say I say Mahama ban say obe digitize tobu no I generate more revenue. So onion and tem na go for Johnson bu omo. En Kwasiasam ne de Ghana wo. Na ye jai MPP Kwasiafo on the Musa dan kwa kire wo. The youth 50% today are supporting NDC. By 2027, not 70% they support NDC. Mubombe bi party bedu. Mubombe bi party bedu. Same way Jimmy. These are foolish here. Even ende omutu ka say Kufuor jai 1,000 road here. Yeah. MPP omo ye moa ti asem we. Akwa we hwase bi omo kan.
About what appears to be a significant decline in government commitment to the railway development sector. In 2025, no budgetary allocation was made for railway development. In 2026, only 73 million has been budgeted for a railway development across the entire country, particularly given the scale of investment already made in the sector. In the case of the Mpakadan railway line, these critical supporting facilities, particularly those at Mpakadan and within the Savannah region,
I'm trying to find a video for you to make a video be actual. Now, akwai omukasa ya kodu point bi o say Ekufuado aye road thousands a den Jack just say I saw my bot and then I saw man Johnson. I am trying to find Mrs. It's so bad I can't find it. I am just say utie MPP for I saw my bot dam and you can this is the video. Thank you, Mr. S. I got a video. Thank you, Mr. S. I have the video. Let me show them.
At the point of transition of the MPP government, about over 1,000 road projects actively ongoing across the country. These projects spanning all 16 regions and the 261 metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies were duly documented in official handing over note. They cut across key implementing agencies, including the Ghana Highway Authority, Department of Urban Roads, and the Department of Feeder Roads, reflecting a broad-based national effort to expand and modernize road infrastructure. However, 15 months into the administration of the John Mahama government, more than 80% of this project have effectively been abandoned completely. Across the country, contractors have vacated site and in many cases fully demobilized equipment. This situation represents a significant setback, particularly given that substantial public funds had already been invested in initiating and progressing this way. A change in government should not result in the discontinuation of ongoing point of transition of the MPP government. About over 1,000 road projects actively ongoing across the country. These projects spanning all 16 regions and
what if was more time and no transition age to me ama NDC no now almost over 1,000 project roads are no more Bisuwe mo omo Johnson on pansom of parliament. Kwase pay we say time and no buja power no na omo ye over 1,000 roads for Ghana. Now let me tell you something. MPP omo Jimmy o. They are naturally foolish. Emun kwara Jimmy omo nyona mabodam. No serious Ghanaian should take MPP serious. Omo ni munyansa. Yeah. Jandam is dead. How many any space in Ghana politics again? They are done. Make nobody listen to the MPP. How many anything in their head to help us support build this nation? Almost all move free power no. Transition time no muja over 1,000 roads. Hey, when my dear friend 1,000 roads. Just say, Oma is saying Chamwa. Very foolish, dirty people, tribal, ignorant fools who don't want to be corrected. Everything about them is so shitty, and there's nothing right about these people. And yet, Ghana imagine at a point in our life, now you're to meet Ghana, now Kuba Kwako radio so, now I TV so, now we document now for my host to know, document now for other guests to know, Adiabechi and then a top story. In Kwasiasam. Near to Ghana at a point, now your friend Kwasiafo we seen Egbert Fable, Kweku Baku, Kwame Sefa Kain, Paul Admoche Kwasiafo, Kweku Baku to Metra TV so. Now we krata. Yes, and this one is coming from the Jubilee House. No, it is first time and the Kufuado, and then those so and this is the document. Document now on for my TV Nimpo and my TV verify. The media platform not tesono, they cannot take the document and verify. Guest or no TV so crampono on team for document no more. Adiabechi na joy news le sa kwasia paper de kutano no mo dia caption no mo dia story headline abra omu show document because Kweku Baku kwasia pay we say So we were running the country on speculation because some group of people personally did not like J.J. Rawlings. Their life was just a messed up life, and that they had to impose themselves on us. And then you train Wabedru Hande. Now, young Kwasia, what TV, Sunni radio, so what they will say will make the news tomorrow. Kwaku back to the news file. Now, Wakan Sembi, Adebechina join news in Kwasia for Yatam story, no? And then this, now we are discussing that. And there's no space for such things. Now, you cannot just do that and walk. And the fourth estate is not different from Ghana today. Because now we have come to that conclusion that fourth estate is a fake news outlet. They have nothing. No credibility. They have no documentation to back anything. Na ya tena kroma na impenifor TV ho adanya kweku ba kwa betena TV kuta toilet papers bi na ono nkwa ne kan host ni to enhu enya kukudropo ga okweku give it to me and let me read it. Say no go and find yours. O to tena radio so ni TV so this document no I can't give it to you. No, I can't give it to the guest. No, I can't give it to the guest. Let them go and find. Let them go and na ya Ghana ni aso kwasi asem we so saa na de achi. We allow these foolish people display ignorance on our TV and radios because majority of us thought they just lied to us. The system was just about lies. And yet here, today the MPP, they don't have any room. And internet, they are struggling. And I swear to God, the party, I will blow it up 2028. It will not exist again. A new MPP, they have to build a new one. I will finish the legacy of Bafo Akoto, bringing up criminals in the name of politics. I will destroy it. That Adiana Bafo Akoto created, Bafo Akoto has used $700 to create monsters in the name of politics. And I blame Bafo Akoto for feeding criminals in the name of politics to form a political party. And I will destroy and end the legacy of Bafo Akoto in politics. Because it is because of Bafo Akoto and it's a party in Kwasiafo party way Edin Kwasiafo Ghana. And me alone, Bafo Akoto's legacy in politics, I will destroy it. I didn't tell you come and some also. I didn't tell you some kwasam so sa. Na ochiami bia ko £700. Na what they feed him no money adada Ghana for bedrun. How can anybody tell me Amwakwata should be a roads minister? Amwakwata. Look at these junkies standing in parliament talking today. What was the press conference about? And the MPP for Jina Parliament, catch Ghana for say, John Mahama enjoy big push project, na onja acquiring go every say omontiasie. And the MPP for catch Ghana for say, big push project, mema John Mahama and Twaso. O metro baby onye sikane free. Into omu yema and kama mi anya kwan bia o Ghana. Otsena, yebe saba, yebe djum, yebe chirem, yebe ma Ghana for no ehu no kore no. Ye delete and upload.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. Cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,